When was the last time you searched for something and actually found the answer instantly, without the noise? The old internet is broken. It's full of ads, SEO spam, and recipe blogs that bury the facts. We are drowning in information, but starving for knowledge. The traditional search engine is obsolete. Enter Perplexity AI. It's not a search engine. It is the world's first conversational answer engine. It reads the internet for you, filters the junk, and gives you one direct, cited answer. But how can you trust an AI? Unlike ChatGPT, Perplexity doesn't just guess, it proves it. Every single claim is cited. You get footnotes linking directly to real-time news and academic sources. No hallucinations, no fake facts. You can click the link and verify the data yourself in seconds. But the real power is hidden behind this switch. Pro Search. This is what you pay for. Pro Search acts like a human research assistant. It asks you questions to understand exactly what you need. It performs multi-step reasoning, browsing dozens of sites to build a comprehensive deep dive report. For students, academics, and writers, this feature alone is worth the monthly subscription. But wait, why pay $20 when you can use the free version? Here is the math that changes everything. With Perplexity Pro, you are not locked into one AI. You unlock access to all the top models. You can switch between GPT-4o, Claude 3 Opus, and their own Sonar large model instantly. Need logic and math? Use GPT-4o. Need natural human-like writing? Switch to Claude 3. If you subscribed to these separately, it would cost you over $60. Perplexity gives you the bundle for just $20. Plus, you get unlimited file uploads. Analyze PDFs, images, and datasets without hitting limits. Imagine researching a competitor. Pro Search scans the latest financial news and reports in seconds. Planning a trip? It finds flights, hotels, and hidden gems, complete with booking links and reviews. For developers, it searches documentation and GitHub to find the exact code fix you need. And the mobile app? It's arguably the best search experience on any phone, period. The voice search is so fast and accurate, you'll never want to type a query into Google again. Google wants you to stay on their site to view ads. Perplexity wants to get you the answer and get out. It respects your time. And in 2025, time is your most valuable asset. So, is it finally time to ditch Google? Here is the final verdict. If you just search for simple facts or weather, the free version is more than enough for you. But for researchers, writers, and power users, Perplexity Pro is the best value deal in AI right now. Say goodbye to SEO spam. Say hello to pure knowledge. Upgrade your intelligence. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Upgrade Pro. See you in the next one.